Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can solve when the Wi-Fi in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 is not showing. And so for that we will begin. So the very first thing we need to do is to go and open the command prompt window. So we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab. Type CMD and you will get under best match the command prompt option. Here at the right section, you will get the Run as Administrator option. So just simply click on that. And once you do that, you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes. And then you will get this black window here. So once you are in here, all you need to do is just to type the command that I will show you. So we have ping space 127.1.1.1. Again, it's ping space 127.1.1.1. And once you're done typing this one, just please click on enter or okay. So once you are doing this, or by doing this, you are checking if there are any problems with the hardware in our system or in our device. And once you're done with this one, just simply type exit and then you will be exiting the window. So once you're done with this one, we will proceed with a second way or second solution, which is to go to the control panel option. So here in the Windows search tab again, we need to type control panel or control, and then you will get under the best match the control panel option. Once you click on open or just hit on enter, you will be opening this kind of window. All you need to do is just to go to the network and internet, and if you're not getting this kind of window, simply go to the view by options here and then select the category option here in the drop down button. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the network and internet and select the internet options, and once you have selected it, you will get this kind of window here. This is the internet properties. So simply go to the advanced tab, and once you do that, you will get this restore advanced settings option. So please click on restore settings or restore advanced settings option, and then click on apply and then click on OK. And once you're done with this one, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will go proceed with the run window. So to open the run window, we have two ways to do that. Simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here, or just simply go to your keyboard and type or press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will get this kind of window. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to type the command services.msc. Once done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And then once you're doing that, or once you have done that, we will get this services window. So we will be looking for WLAN autoconfig, and to be brought to the W section, all you need to do is just to select one service here, and in your keyboard just type W, and then we will be directly brought to the W section. Here we need to scroll down and look for WLAN autoconfig. So we will be looking for, here I have the W1 autoconfig. Now all we need to do is just to make a right click on that and then click on the properties option here. So once you click on properties, you will get this kind of window. All you need to do is just to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. So how can you do that? Simply make a click on this drop down button and then click on the automatic option here. And then please make sure that it is also running, or you have clicked on the start button. And once you have done that, simply click on apply and then click on OK. And then see if you can now, or see if the Wi-Fi is now showing in your device. And once you're done with that one, we will proceed with the next solution. So just close this window and then we will proceed with settings. So please go make a click on the Windows icon and then go click on the settings, or you can also make a right click here in the Windows icon and then simply click on the settings option. So once you're in here in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane and you will find there the network and internet option. So please click on that, and then once you do that, we will be looking for the Wi-Fi adapter. So please make sure that you have enabled the Wi-Fi adapter. So here we need to go to the advanced network settings, and here in the section under the network adapters, please make sure that you have enabled the Wi-Fi adapter that you are using in your device. So if you have seen this, that this is disabled, simply click on that and then it will be enabled. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with the next way or the next solution, which is to go to the run window. Simply close that window, and then we will be making a right click here in the Windows icon. Select the run options. And once you get this window, all you need to do is just to type the command devmgmt.msc. And once you're done with this one, simply click on OK or enter. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to look for the wireless adapter option. So let me just maximize this one. So we will be going to the network adapters option. So once you have found it, double click on that and then look for any option that says wireless. And once you found it, please make a right click, click on the properties option, and then you will get this kind of window here. So all you need to do is just to go to the power management tab. So if you are seeing power management tab, simply uncheck the allow option there. So since I don't have that in my device, simply go to your power management tab and uncheck the allow option. And once you're done with this one, we will be updating the driver. So we will be going to the driver tab and then click on the update driver option there. And you will get these two options and you will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So simply go with the search automatically for drivers if you are connected with the internet. So once you click on that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can just go back and select the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. Once you do that, we will click on this last option here, or the very bottom option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then we will be downgrading the driver. So select the older version, and then once you have selected it, simply click on next, and then it will be installed in the device. And once it's installed and it says that the driver has already been upgraded, then you can now make a restart with your device. Just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed, and if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the next option or the next way. So simply open your settings, and to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon, go to settings option, and the next thing we need to do is to go to the network reset. So to go to the network reset, go to your search tab, and here we need to type network reset. So we will be getting the search result here. So just click on that, and then you will find the network reset option, and then simply click on the reset now button. And then this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So just click on yes, and then your network will be reseated. Now, once you're done with this one and you're still facing some issues and there's still problems, then we can go also with the command prompt option. So to do that, simply make a search here in the Windows search tab again. Go to the command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will get this run as administrator option. So once you click on that, you will be asked on do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes to proceed, and then you will get again a black window. Here all you need to do is just to type the two commands. It's netsh winsock reset. And once you're done typing, just please click on enter, and then we will type again another command, which is netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. So I'll just provide this in the description box below so that you can just copy it and then paste it in here. Once you're done with this one, simply click on enter, and then it will ask you to restart your computer or your device. So just do the same, or just make a quick restart. So we have now reseated the Windows socket and IP logs. So just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will proceed with the next solution, which is to go open the run window. So here in the keyboard, press the Windows R key all together, and here we need to type msconfig dot. Okay, that's msconfig only. So just please click on OK or enter, and once you're done doing that, you will get the system configuration window. So here all we need to do is just to go to this services tab, and if you can click on this enable all button, please click on that and then click on apply. and then click on OK, and then just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so see now if the Wi-Fi is showing in your device. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.